Hello everyone, I'm quickly back as I promised. So my second video for today, very generous actually, 2 videos in a row. Okay, second video is my collages. I will just, as always, 3 sets, nature style. Here is more like vintage nature, and here is more like not vintage nature pictures. So I will go through quickly because battery of my camera is just flashing, so it means will die in a minute. Alright, in this set you will have picture with a dragonfly, collaged with papers and old laces, and background, as I said before, is gessoed and acrylic paint on is a green one, and script stamp, and yeah, and paper is watercolor paper, and I doubled it, so I glued it together, but as you can see is pretty straight and looks pretty nice. So in this set you will have dragonfly, you will have mushrooms with old laces and stamps, and this is punch and decoupage here. And then you have a bird with design paper, scribbling and decoupaging, and pieces of design paper, some stamping, button and old lace. So that's one set. Another set will be Little Deer with fabrics, laces and little butterfly, some drawings with how do you call it? I will show you with oil pastels. That's it, that's oil pastels I'm using here, this black one. And some scribbling goes around, a little bit of jelly printing as well. Then here is like little, I would say, it's dragonfly now, I've more like fly on a flower. So the similar book pages and stamping, oil pastels, laces, black fabric, a little piece, and design papers, and a fox with very similar stamping and jelly printing, oil pastels, Hessen lace. And third set is going to be more like vintage ones. I think I've used this bird before, and as well similar, they are stamping and jelly printing on a tissue paper and jelly printing on a paper. Some fabrics, this is organza, lace, some doily there and button. Here we are having butterfly. This is our knitted fabric, so it's quite thick guys, so be aware of that. There is fabric strip, jelly printing, old book page, some oil pastels and lace. And birdie again with, this is stamp. I received a lovely mushroom stamps. Fabric, jelly printing, a cheesecloth. This is like cut out of design paper, some stamping. So that is all. So these are collages you will get. Collages are going to be on my Etsy shop, so if you are interested, please pop over and have a look. Okay guys, I have to rush really because as I said, I don't want to join 2 videos together because my as I said, my camera battery is flashing. Anyway guys, have a lovely day. It's just beginning of the week, and I hope I will have something more to show you this week. Thank you my lovelies, and see you later. Bye.